Hello everyone. Welcome to your Best Option Group channel. And here is the top 25 important questions of weekly current affairs from June 1 to 7, 2026. Question 1. Who won the Norway Chess Tournament in Oslo in June 2026? Answer is R. Pragnananda won the Norway Chess Tournament and became the first Indian player to win this prestigious tournament. In this tournament, Pragnananda achieved a remarkable feat by defeating the world's number one player Magnus Carlsen twice in a classical games. Question 2. Who is the youngest cricketer to be selected for the Indian cricket team? Answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He was selected at the age of 15 years and 71 days. Question 3. Which team won the men's under 18 Hockey Asia Cup 2026 title? Answer India. In the final, India defeated the defending champion Japan by 4-1. Question 4. Which site has been designated as the India's 100 Ramsar site? Answer Surhatal Bird Sanctuary, also known as Jai Prakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary, located at Balia district of Uttar Pradesh. Question 5. Who has been appointed as India's executive director at the World Bank Group for a 3-year tenure starting in June 2026? Answer Neelkant Misra. Question 6. According to the latest IBA World Boxing Ranking, which Indian boxer climbed to the top spot world number 1 in the women's 57 kg category? Answer Jasmine Lamburia. Question 7. Who is the author of the upcoming biographical memoir titled The Second Orbit Belief of a Man Dreams of 1.4 Billion Heart? Answer Subhanshu Shukla. Question 8. Which country became India's third largest oil supplier in May 2026? Answer Venezuela. Question 9. According to the India Meteorological Department, in which state did the southwest monsoon arrive on June 4, 2026? Answer Kerala. Question 10. Which ethanol blended petrol fuel did Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri launch in New Delhi on the occasion of World Environment Day 2026? Answer E85. Question 11. Which sector is the Great Nicobar Island project related to? Answer. The Great Nicobar Island project is related to infrastructure development, maritime connectivity, logistics, and strategic national security. Question 12. From which country has India recently received the fourth squadron of S-400 Sudarshan air defense missile system? Answer. From Russia. Question 13. Where will the first World Yogasana Sports Championship 2026 be held? Answer. In Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Question 14. Where was the 73rd plenary session of the North-Eastern Council held under the chairmanship of Union Home Minister Amit Shah in June 2026? Answer. Shillong, Meghalaya. Question 15. Who has been elected as the president of the 81st session of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer. Dr. Khalilur Rahman, the Foreign Minister of Bangladesh. Question 16. Who are the newly appointed chairperson and secretary of CBSE? Answer. The chairperson is Lokhande Prasad Sitaram and the secretary is Varun Bhardwaj. Question 17. Who is the current Chief Minister of Karnataka? Answer D.K. Shivkumar. Question 18. Which new index system will replace the Wholesale Price Index WPI in India? The answer is Producer Price Index PPI. Question 19. Presently, how many judges, including the Chief Justice of India, are there in the Supreme Court of India? Answer 37 judges. Question 20. Who won IPL 19 2026? Answer Royal Challengers Bangalore. By defeating Gujarat Titans by 5 wickets in the final. Question 21. Who is the new Chief of Defence Staff of India? Answer General N.S. Subramani. Question 22. Who is the 27th Chief of the Naval Staff of the Indian Navy? Answer Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Question 23. Khet Bachao campaign will be conducted during which period? Answer June 1 to 30, 2026. Started from Raisen, Madhya Pradesh. Question 24. Who won the men's doubles title at the Singapore Open 2026? Answer Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty. And the last question is, who is the current acting president of Venezuela who arrived in India on a 5-day visit in June 2026? Answer Delcy Rodriguez. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.